What's going on? My name is Kyle Harris, aka Racer Knight. What's going on? My name is Kyle Harris, aka Racer Knight 99, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna do another reaction video today. So today we're gonna react to the Racing a Lot of Tornadoes. So it's created from DYL. So for ado, let's get the start. Let's begin. Let's check this out. 3, 2, 1, play. Let's check it out. I gotta say, it's been a while we haven't reacted to DYL, guys. You know, when he did the GTA videos, yeah, the planes and cars. Oh man, great memories. Oh, you remember this song, guys? Oh man, we used to did those reaction videos like back in like a couple of months ago. Man, great memories. Da, 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 da. Yep. Looks like they're in GTA 5. Driving a plane. It's all black and white. It's the tornadoes, guys. Gotta be very careful. I gotta be honest. Wonder where GTA 6 is gonna be coming out. Hopefully, maybe around next year or now, or a couple years away for Grand Theft Auto 6. So yeah. Hopefully, it'll come soon. Hopefully. I love that song in the background. That's fun. I think it was one of the soundtracks of Planes, the video game, right? Yeah. Oh, you see the lightning on the top of the sky? You saw that? That's cool. Alright, come on. You got this. Oh, looks like they're heading to Los Santos, right? Yep. They're in Los Santos. Yep. Can't believe it's almost 10 years since GTA 5 came out, man. Cannot believe it's almost 10 years ago since Grand Theft Auto 5 came out. Man, back in what, September? Yeah. I wasn't racing because I didn't push the start. That's okay. So, September of 2023, guys, it marks the 10th year anniversary of Grand Theft Auto 6. So, yes. Alright, now he's gonna drive a jet. What color is a jet? Blue? Blue. Only one lap. Can he survive the tornadoes in GTA 5? We're about to find out. He might. He's got this. Oh, this is a race, by the way. Only yep. Only 3 positions. Yep. Thatcher's doing a good job, though. He's in first place right now. Come on, you got this. So, what, one lap in this race? Yeah. Yep, it's raining in Los Santos. Yep. Oh, somebody just wrecked. Look at that barrel roll right there. Get to the boost. There you go. Do 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 do. Doing a great job, by the way. Gotta be very careful with the tornadoes, by the way. Just gotta be very careful. Do 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 do. Love that song. Oh, he almost hit the water. Be careful. Alright, now it's 1 and 2 right now. Somebody just left. It's only 2 of them right now. Looks like he's got to grab the checker flag, guys. And yes, he does. Grab the win. There you go.
Every good racer has to have a good eye. I hit a camera.
Alrighty. Can he make it there? He's got it. He's gonna make it there. Yes, he does. Well, he came in first right now. Wow, he's on 159 ranks. Wow. That's awesome. Yes. Got the win. How about that? And I think that's it, guys. Yes, it is. So that is it. So that was the racing lot of tornadoes, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. So I gotta say, DYL did a fantastic, awesome job, by the way. You know, it's been a while I haven't reacted to DYL. So he did a great, awesome job making that video. So subscribe to him, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, by the way. Hit the like, and subscribe button, click the bell notification turned on. If you guys are new in here, ladies and gentlemen, we're on road to 2,000 subscribers very soon. I love you all at the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to keep it rigid. Love you. Have a nice day. See you guys next time. Have an awesome day. See you guys soon. Keep it rigid, and have a fantastic, awesome day.